imagine I'm already dead. But before I die, I revive for one last time and run away.
I've decided to get married.
Aren't you afraid?
I could marry the first woman who comes in through that door.
Guess what? I met someone. He's got blue eyes, broad shoulders. He has this je ne sais quoi.
At last we get a chance to meet the old sea dog.
I'm no more of a sea dog than you are a wharf rat.
You don't like him, do you?
You want me to like your admirer?
You are completely insane.
I simply would like to know what she does all day.
And do you really want to know? Sometimes it is better not to.
It would be nice if this really worked out.
Yes, it would. It's useless to wait for life to accommodate you. You must accommodate life. Otherwise, it will punish you.
And isn't that what life is all about? Receiving one reprieve after another.
I'm staying with you.
If that's what you think.